ng on destroy. This video series is basically for Angular beginners. Kindly watch these videos in sequence for better understanding, and also subscribe the channel for the latest updates. ng on destroy is a lifecycle hook of a component, and this will be called just before Angular destroy the component. Generally, Angular destroy the component when the structural directives remove the component from the DOM, or paging load is no longer required the component. And this is happens when routing is used in Angular application. About this routing, we will discuss in further videos. ng on destroy is basically useful to write some custom code to be executed just before Angular destroy the component. This is useful to unsubscribe the observables when observables are used within the component. Detach event handlers to avoid memory leaks. To use this, we need to write ng on destroy method within the component. In that, we need to write the required custom logic. Let's try to understand this with simple example program. This is the Angular application which was created in previous video. Here employee list is useful to display the list of employees in tabular format. Okay. In that component, employee list component, we have defined ng on in it, where it will fetch the employee details from the employees.json file. Okay. And then it will be that content that employee list will be displayed in the template. Okay, here we have user subscribe. This is basically useful with observables. Okay, when observables are used, if you want to subscribe them, then you have to use subscribe method. About these observables, we will discuss in further videos. Okay, here we have used observables. If you want to unsubscribe these observables, then you have to use ng on destroy. Okay, let me add this ng on destroy to unsubscribe these observables. ng on destroy. Here we need to write the logic, custom logic that needs to be executed just before Angular destroy this component. Okay, here let me unsubscribe this. For that, let me create one variable with subscription of type subscription. Okay, let me assign these subscribe observables to this variable. Okay, now if I want to unsubscribe that, then we have to use this variable, this dot we have the method unsubscribe. This is the way we can use ng on destroy to unsubscribe the observables within the component. In the same way, we can use any cleanup code required when the component is destroyed by the Angular. Okay, but here we could not able to see the uh, ng on destroy is executed or not. For better understanding, let me add some statement here to write some content to the log. Let me write some text here. So it will be displayed in console. Okay. Okay. Let me destroy this component by using structural directives in the component. Also, let me add here one button. Type button. This is basically useful to useful to hide the list of employees. Okay. So let me add one click event. So this method will be called When we click on this button, let me add this method here. Okay, here I'm adding one variable of type boolean. Initially it is assigned as true. When we click on hide list, this will be changed to false. Okay, in this component I'm using the structural directives ngIf. This ngIf is basically used to add or remove the specific component depend on the expression. If the is show is true, then this will be added to the DOM and that will be displayed in the browser. If it is false, it will be removed from the DOM, so it will not display on browser. Okay, here when ngIf becomes false, this will be removed by the Angular. So ng on destroy will be executed because we have defined that one here. Okay, then it will display some text here and it will unsubscribe the observables. Let me save it and see the output here. Okay, now we can see that here this is the console. Let me click on hide list. Yeah, here we can see that ng on destroy executing text. That means we can confirm that ng on destroy is executed when the specific component is removed from the DOM, when the structural directives are used. Okay, this is the purpose of ng on destroy. Thank you.